Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we asked Gemini to generate an image, and instead of a beautifully picture, you get a text response, or sometimes nothing at all. It's specifically frustrating when you know the feature worked last week, and nothing on your end has changed. The good news is that most image generation failures fall into a few predictable categories: a corrupted chat session, browser cache issues, or server-side demand. According to Google support experts, the most frequent fix is simply starting a new chat. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix Gemini not generating images, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, start by starting a brand new chat. This is the most common fix. A long-running conversation can get into a bad state and stop generating images. Open a completely new, empty chat and try a very simple prompt first, like generate an image of a red apple on a table, or create a picture of a blue dog. If this works, your previous conversation was the problem and you can continue in the new chat. For example, here, give me a picture of Ultraman. Okay, here we go for example. Anyway, if this doesn't work, and try to clear your browser cached cookies. All cached cookies can interfere with how Gemini handles image generation. Clear your browser cached cookies for the last 24 hours or all the time. You can then try in private mode or incognito mode if it's needed. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.